The meeting between Navjot Singh Sidhu and Chief Minister of Punjab Charanjit Singh Channi is a meeting that is likely to begin shortly. Sidhu is en route to the Punjab Bhavan in Chandigarh. All our colleagues are on the ground, whether it is in Punjab, whether it is in national capital Delhi, all of them tracking different angles of this big developing story. Remember, this is a Chief Minister of a state, a new Chief Minister, the first Dalit Chief Minister, is heading out to meet Navjot Singh Sidhu, the outgoing PCC chief, who has said, I will be at Punjab Bhavan. Whoever wants to come can come meet me there. He has decided not to go to the Chief Minister's house or office then to meet and probably resolve the crisis. So the former cricketer Navjot Singh Sidhu has clearly bowled another googly at the Congress party, Sidhu has claimed. Chief Minister Channi has reached out to him for talks, but he has made it clear that he will call the shots. He has in fact taken to social media site Twitter. That's where he made an announcement. He will be at Punjab Bhavan at 3 p.m. today. If the Chief Minister wants, he can meet him there. Sources are telling India Today now that Chief Minister Channi has decided to reach Punjab Bhavan and speak to Sidhu. All of this only to resolve the crisis in an election-bound state. It is now clear that Sidhu is sending out a message to the High Command that Congress will have to accommodate his demands if they want him to rethink on the resignation. Chief Minister Channi, when he was asked about Sidhu's resignation yesterday during a press briefing, said, "Party is supreme and he has no ego. He will go and talk to anyone who wants, and likely, importantly, for the party and for the state." He has confirmed he has spoken to Sidhu over phone and will continue dialogue if required. All of this, however, with opposition that comes against Sidhu. Sunil Jakhar, former PCC chief, has slammed Sidhu in a veiled jibe, stating enough is enough, put an end to attempts to undermine the authority of Chief Minister time and again. Aspersions being cast on selection of AG and DGP actually questions the integrity of the incumbent Chief Minister. Mosmi Singh is in Chandigarh to track all the latest. Mosmi, has Chief Minister reached? When is likely Sidhu to reach? And what are you really picking up? Are there supporters of either camp who have gathered there at the Punjab Bhavan?
Pooja, apparently the Punjab CM would be coming after half an hour. That's about at 3 p.m. that he will reach. The media has been cordoned off and we are inside the Punjab Bhavan. So we will be getting you those visuals as soon as he arrives. Navjot Singh Sidhu's arrival is also awaited. He's not reached yet. Importantly, you know, there are statements that are coming from ministers and MLAs as far as Sidhu's resignation is concerned, many terming it as a betrayal. So pressures mounting on Navjot Singh Sidhu as well to in fact, you know, make amends and come back to the Congress fold in terms of forget about whatever issues are there and sort out the differences. So we will have to wait and see how that really unfolds. In the meanwhile, with Captain giving that statement and Captain's bio changing, that has also sent the Punjab Congress leaders in a tizzy here. And we are told that when Navjot Singh Sidhu and Charanjit Singh Channi do meet, there will be leaders from both sides who will also be meeting.
Because you're on the ground in Punjab, the voters, party supporters, everyone's watching what's been happening. How do you see the mood on the ground, Mosmi? This is an election-bound state. There's no clarity on the Chief Minister's position, so to say, the manner in which he's being now expected to resolve the crisis. The leadership is nowhere to be found. Yes, I want to go. Yes, go ahead, Mosmi.
Right. Right, we have Pawan Goyal and he did meet Navjot Singh Sidhu as well, the working president of the party. Goyal साहब, क्या बातचीत हुई, क्या सुलह हो जाएगी कि नहीं हो जाएगी?
पहले तो आपका धन्यवाद मैडम। कोई भी जैसे एक परिवार में कभी ना कभी कोई ना कोई मित्रता दूर हो जाता है, नाराजगी हो जाती है। इसी तरह हमारी जो कांग्रेस पार्टी है, ये हमारा एक परिवार है। कोई गलतफहमियां थी या कोई किसी के मतलब प्रधान जी को सीएम साहब की कोई नई बात बन सकी, उसी के मतलब हम 2-3 दिन से लगे हुए थे।
जी, तो क्या बात क्या हुई आपकी सिद्धू साहब से? आप मिले भी सिद्धू साहब से?
मैं मिला था, मैं कल गया था सिद्धू साहब से। उन्होंने जो मसले बताए थे 2-3 मुद्दों के ऊपर, जो उनको अपनी असहमति प्रकट की है, और उन्होंने सीएम साहब से टेलीफोन पर बात की है, आज भी बात करेंगे। हाँ, और वो मुद्दे हल हो जाएंगे। हो जाएंगे।
तो क्या है वो 2-3 मुद्दे जो आपको गिनाए, क्या
आपको मालूम ही है, आपको मालूम ही है, आप मीडिया वाले बार बार बता रहे हैं।
बीच का रास्ता लिया जाएगा, क्योंकि जो फैसला लिया था सीएम साहब ने बतौर पंजाब के मुख्यमंत्री लिया था, तो उनका फैसला वापस लेना एक तरीके से उनके पद का अपमान नहीं है गोयल साहब? मतलब ऐसी क्या ऐंठन है कि आप इस तरह से अड़ जाते हैं अपनी बात पर?
नहीं, कोई अड़ने की बात नहीं। मैंने आपको पहले ही बताया है, जैसे सरकार चलाने के लिए बहुत सारे डिसीजन लेने पड़ते हैं। नई सरकार आई, इन्होंने जो पहले हमारे ओहदेदार थे या अफसर थे उनको जगह नए लगा दिए, और अगर जरूरत पड़ी तो चेंजेज होती रहती है।
कैप्टन साहब ने अपनी प्रोफाइल बदल ली है, ट्विटर पे कांग्रेस हटा दिया है। कैप्टन साहब ने बोल दिया मैं कांग्रेस में नहीं रहूंगा, चाहे मैं जो करूं, कांग्रेस में छोड़ रहा हूं।
फिर ये तो कैप्टन साहब ही बताएंगे, अमरिंदर सिंह जी बताएंगे, इसके बारे में मैं क्या बता सकता हूँ मैडम?
बीजेपी का दामन थामेंगे वो?
ये तो उनसे पूछिए ना जी, मैं इसके बारे में क्या बता सकता हूँ?
साहब को मना के आए, अब क्या आप कैप्टन साहब को भी मनाने का काम करेंगे? क्योंकि आप गए थे, सिद्धू साहब को मनाने की कोशिश की, अब कैप्टन को भी मनाने की कोशिश होगी कि या अब दरवाजे बंद?
नो, अगर हाईकमान चाहेगी, हमारी हाईकमान है केंद्र में श्रीमती सोनिया गांधी जी, वो हमारे प्रेसिडेंट है श्री राहुल गांधी जी, अगर वो हमारी किसी तरफ की कोई ड्यूटी लगाएंगे तो हम जाएंगे।
सिद्धू साहब ने पैर पर कुल्हाड़ी मारी कि नहीं अपने?
मारी, बिल्कुल। नो नो नो।
उनके समर्थक कम हुए कांग्रेस पार्टी में, कुछ नेताओं में?
किसके?
सिद्धू, नवजोत सिंह सिद्धू के।
मेरे को ये नहीं समझ आ रहा है, आप अभी हमारी पार्टी को कोई सिद्धू हुआ, जो कोई चन्नी साहब हैं, जहाँ कैप्टन, ये बात क्यों? हम अपने परिवार की बात कर रहे हैं।
रायता तो आप लोग ने बिखेर रखा है, आप मीडिया को ब्लेम कर रहे हैं गोयल साहब।
नहीं, किसने बिखेरा? मेरे को ये तो बताइए, किसने करा है ये?
पंजाब का वोटर देख रहा है, अरविंद केजरीवाल लगातार कैंप कर रहे हैं।
नहीं, हम भी कर रहे हैं, कोई बात नहीं, होता है, परिवार में दिक्कत आती है, थोड़ी बहुत हो जाएगी दूर। थैंक यू मैडम।
Right there you can hear Pawan Goyal, who is a working president, Pooja, saying that even Channi has spoken to Navjot Singh Sidhu, and now that meeting that everybody is watching very closely anytime from
Very
now.
interesting, and I can only think and actually sympathize with the Congress party supporters, workers, the voters who would have thought, at least till this time, that they want to vote Congress again in Punjab. What will they do now? Mausami Singh is on the ground, but after having faced humiliation despite serving 4 decades in the Congress party, will Captain Amrinder Singh dump the grand old party? That's the question we're asking today on India Today, because according to several media reports, Captain has said he's leaving the Congress party. He's not joining the BJP for now, but he has added that Congress party is going downhill. And amid the buzz of that, Captain has made it clear and made it obvious. One, changes his Twitter account bio, no mention there of him belonging to the Congress party even. He's removed the mention of Congress party from his Twitter biography, which is the profile where usually one mentions about any specific references of their career. Congress is not there, only army veteran and former Chief Minister of Punjab continues to serve the state. Earlier in the day, however, Captain met National Security Advisor Ajit Doval at 5 Janpath. That he has after meeting Home Minister Amit Shah. That with the possible chance of him meeting Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Two leaders are expected to discuss farm laws, farmer agitation, all of that after Captain is likely to depart to Chandigarh at about 4 p.m. today itself. So take a look at this visual on your screen. We have this compilation ready for you where there's Captain Amrinder Singh sitting and meeting his party workers after he has met National Security Advisor, changes his Twitter bio, removes, at least clearly does not have Congress mentioned anywhere. Not even a photograph that could have shown that he is still with the Congress party. The palm nowhere to be shown there on his Twitter feed. In fact, also joking and tweeting, but nothing about precisely what he needs now to decide. So, of course, remember at this point, there will be different scenarios. While this has happened, what could happen politically for him? If Amrinder Singh dumps the Congress party, will Chief Minister Channi's government survive at least for the next few months? Remember, Captain still has very strong clout, at least among the MLAs. Will Captain Amrinder Singh join hands with the Bharatiya Janata Party to take on the Congress in the backdrop of him meeting the Home Minister Amit Shah? Can that happen? Scenario number 3, and a big question here that comes up: what happens if Amrinder Singh floats his own party, fights election, just 5 months to go, An unlikely scenario may just happen, however. Does Amrinder Singh have enough support to dent the Congress party? Well, he actually may have that, given no other leader in Congress standing tall to protect the party. But he does not have age on his side. Almost 80 years old. Will the age factor prove to be Amrinder's Achilles heels? Now, of course, there are different permutations, combinations that even captain would want to figure out. We are giving you these scenarios, remember, to help you understand why this is such a big story. He was the chief minister of the border state of Punjab just about few weeks ago. And now all of this that is happening, he's not the chief minister, not even possibly with the Congress anymore, may or may not join the BJP. Aam Aadmi Party is already is fishing in troubled waters, looking for an opportunity to come and make a government in Punjab in the next few months.